What are you doing, Thad?
It's a sucker.
Huh? Are you swinging? What you got? What's in your...
Sucker.
A sucker? What color is it?
It's red.
Is that your favorite color? Yeah, right. I thought blue was. Here, I'm gonna push you some more. Whoa, you ready? Tell Dee Dee and Gigi what you're eating.
I eat a sucker.
Say hello, folks. I love you.
Oh, folks, I love you.
Alright.
Let's take a picture of. Let's take a picture of. Let's take a picture of Eleanor.
Of Eleanor? Let's see. We'll take a picture of Eleanor, okay? There she is. They hadn't seen her in a while either. Not much to see. She's taking a picture.
Take a picture.
You look like you're working hard at that swing. It's time for me to put you up a big boy swing. Uh-huh.
Don't put me in.
You don't need that baby swing no more. You're getting too big for it. Alright, I'm going to put this movie up. Tell them bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye. This is not starting.
Huh?
This is not starting for this.
I can't hear you.
We're not doing the baby swing. We're doing the real swing.
The real swing?
Get the swing.
You want me to put the other one up?
Yes.
Okay.
I will fold him.